guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get giant Protopet in space. Yeah, this tutorial. So let's begin. So first go to the battle, then branch climb that, go back here, then take Rhino and start shoot him. Yeah. Now when he do that punching thing, wait, he's gonna die down there. Bye bye, Protopet. And now jump with him. And somewhere here you can find him. There he is, you see? Oh crap. Sometimes he rolls away and sometimes he stands somewhere down here. And the other way I have to do that. This thing, this move or something is by Algarado. So put this glitch is found by me. So watch. Oh, it got wrong. Wait. No. Wrong again. And when the battle comes, you must go like that. No! Almost. Yeah, I did it. And now you're quickly here. Now do it again. Now wait again here. Bye bye, Protopet. And now jump with him. Yeah, there he is. He's standing. Okay, that's my glitch which show how to get Protopet in space. Thanks for watching.